Good morning from the trading desk here at OSL. Amazing what difference 7 days makes. This time last week, everyone was calling for Bitcoin, Ethereum to drop into the 20s and into the, to 1,500 area respectively. A week later, everyone's singing crypto's praises again. All kind of news articles surrounding uncertainty in the market are being wiped to one side. So it's good to see that sentiment is indeed returning, although looking at some of the technical indicators, I do think that we'll see some sort of correction over the next few days. Nothing major, but looking at maybe the 10% area. Bitcoin certainly seems to have been overbought now. Had 8 straight candles, 8 straight green candles. It's something we rarely see, and every time that happens, we do see some sort of pullback. If there is a pullback, then Ethereum will most likely get dragged down with it. Not saying it won't go higher, but over the next few days, likely to see some sort of correction. I would like to mention as well that we have options expiry tomorrow. Currently, if we look at the open interest here on Bitcoin, you can see the majority of puts striked below current spot price. So the majority of these puts are going to expire worthless. We do have a couple at 41 and at 40, but overall the amount of in the money calls out is larger than the number of puts that are expiring in the money, which tends to favor a bullish picture. Ethereum Futures currently trading at a slight contango as well. The 1-year future is trading at 7% over spot, so still pretty flat, but that seems to be improving. The general hype around Ethereum, the Grayscale discount as well is only at about 2% on their Ethereum Trust product, so much narrower than that of Bitcoin. The general hype there, the interest among institutions, the release of EIP 1559 over the next few days, all to me kind of suggest that Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin in the coming weeks. Looking at the charts directly, we saw yesterday Ethereum struggling to break through the resistance at 2350. Started to slow down a bit. Red candle this morning so far, expecting that to, over the next few days, drop down to test the 2100 area before a continued move to the upside. RSI suggesting market isn't too overbought yet, but as I said, on Bitcoin, we're at that 72 level, which suggests the market is overbought. When you look at the MACD, momentum is showing us that it's starting to drop off a little bit as well. In terms of high resistance levels, still looking at the 2600 area, which is the top from 15th of June. Above that, the trading range high that's been in place since May at 2900. Supports 2100 for sure. After that, we're looking at the psychologically important 2000 level, followed by 1750 to 1850, which is the bottom of the trading range that we've been in since May. Very brief look at the Eth Btc pairing. Again, Bitcoin has been outperforming Ethereum, which is why this price has been dropping, but we are now getting to that level where support has held since May. I expect this to be tested, most likely a rebound, break through the downward trending resistance line. If this actually does play out, by definition, Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin over the next few days. That's it from me. Have a good trading day.